Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to blend loops in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video until the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with blending our loops in GarageBand. The first thing I'm going to do is open up my track. So here in the audio recorder, I'm going to open it up. That's going to open up this recording menu where in the upper left corner, we can now click this middle button to go ahead and open up our edit mode, where we can now go ahead and see all the tracks we have, such as my audio recorders, I have my keyboard, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how you make loops that we can then blend. Basically, guys, to be able to loop your tracks, you want to go ahead and tap on your track right here, and after doing so, you want to tap it to open up this menu where you can see all the options that are going to appear, and one of the options is going to be called loop. So you want to click on loop, guys, and after looping your track, this is now your new track that you can get started with implementing wherever you need. So you can now go ahead and drag your track, do whatever you wanted, put wherever you wanted it. This is how you get started with looping. And if you want to blend it with your other tracks, you can move it around, loop your other tracks and so on. You can even switch to other screens to go ahead and edit wherever you want to get your desired effect. But this is how you get started with looping your tracks. If you're not satisfied with your loop, you can just go ahead and select it and click on trim or split to go ahead and reduce it, or just grab it by the one side and reduce it to the normal size. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.